In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack to Gmail. By the end, you'll have the Slack for Gmail app installed, so you can easily share emails into Slack and keep conversations in one place. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace using a desktop browser or the Slack desktop app. You'll also need to have the right permissions to install apps. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, you may need to contact your workspace admin to grant access or install it for you. Let's start from inside Slack. Look towards the top left area of your Slack window and open the main workspace menu where you usually see options like settings and preferences. From there, find and click on the admin option. This is where Slack keeps all of the tools related to managing your workspace, including apps and integrations. Once you're in the admin area, look for and click on Apps and Workflows. This section is essentially the control center for anything you want to connect to Slack, whether that's bots, integrations, or automation tools. Opening this will take you to a more detailed view of all the apps currently available to your workspace. Next, in the Apps and Workflows area, find the option to browse. Click on Browse to open Slack's app directory for your workspace. Think of this as the marketplace where you can search for and install different tools that connect with Slack. In the search bar that appears, type in Gmail. Be sure you spell it correctly, and then wait a moment for the search results to load. You'll see a list of Gmail-related apps and integrations that work with Slack. From the results, look for the app named Slack for Gmail. This is the official integration that lets you send emails and their attachments directly into any Slack channel or direct message. When you see it, click on Slack for Gmail to open the apps page so you can review what it does and how it connects. On the Slack for Gmail app page, you'll see a button labeled Add to Slack. Go ahead and click Add to Slack. At this point, Slack may prompt you to review permissions and, if you're not already signed into Gmail in your browser, to connect your Google account, just follow the prompts, confirm the permissions, and once that's done, the integration will be added to your workspace and ready to use.